Good morning semua. Pagi ni kena datang temankan Orchid. Dia nak main pasir tepi sungai ni. Kita pasang kerusi jap, kita hang out kat sini. Sementara wife aku siapkan the breakfast. Kalau korang tengok vlog semalam kan, aku ada sampai, sebelum sampai ke campsite ni, aku ada sampai campsite yang salah. So that is the campsite yang aku salah sampai. It was on the other side of the river. Dan actually belah sana nampak quite nice lah, dengan the cabin yang dibuat daripada kayu kan. Look really nice. Next time kita boleh book on the other side. Actually Noh masih lagi tidur. Tak tahulah semalam dia tidur pukul berapa. So right now only Orchid is here. I think dalam setengah jam kita boleh balik ke kemah. Dah mula rasa bahang tu. So sekarang kita akan breakfast kejap. And here I am, duduk kat sini je, tengok budak-budak ni main air. And I realise, this is it kan. This is the thing that we're always chasing. Bukan promotion, bukan followers, bukan achievement, just this particular moment. No doubt kid, I don't think they realise how fast this goes. How one day they'll be too cool to splash around dekat river dengan bapak dia orang. But right now they orang still main. Benda ni you can't capture in a frame. Kita boleh just sit down and feel the weight of it. So this is what I did. Aku just duduk dan tengok. And try really hard to not let this moment pass. We're supposed to enjoy dipping our feet dekat dalam sungai tadi, tapi we got an announcement by the CO, camp officer, orang yang jaga camp ni. Dia cakap there's a chances of berlakunya kepala air ke atas sana. So that's why they ask us to come up. Semua naik atas dan itulah, kena settle lah for today. So right now aku nak bakar kambing. I think we should start with bakar kambing secepat yang mungkin. There's a chances of raining lah kejap lagi, sebab hari pun nampak agak gelap. Aku pun dapat rasa hujan rintik lah. I think we better start fast and we can start our dinner early. Tak ada. Dan with start the fire. Kita tunggu je biar dia bakar arang tu, then we can start cooking the lamb. Tadi sempatlah aku fly drone kan, tengok suasana. Bila dia kata ada kepala air tu, aku nak tengok lah kan, tapi tak nampak. So maybe it will happen tonight. There's a possible chance lah. Sementara fly tu nampak lah few teams are playing the water raft, white water raft. I think it quite fun lah kalau tengok dari drone shot kan. Everyone is enjoying the activities. Maybe someday aku ajak cousin aku join up, sebab dia tak boleh naik seorang dua je kan. It will be, you need a team to naik kan. So maybe aku akan ajak dia orang untuk join. After breakfast tadi sampailah ke petang, we actually did nothing. Nothing at all. And one thing about it, for being someone who are quite occupied by work, aku rasa guilty sikit lah on that. In my mind, should I plan something? Should I go and explore? Maybe we are so conditioned of doing something. Scroll phone, make a schedule, plan an activities. But here at campsite, it give me a chance to simply do nothing. Duduk saja, tidur. Sebab bila fikir balik, doing nothing is also doing something. Betul tak? The way I see it, rest is also doing something. Maybe sometimes the most productive thing to do for yourself is to stop. Berhenti sekejap. Maybe sometimes we feel our energy of doing something sampai kita lupa that kosong pun actually ada nilai dia sendiri kan. Okay, jom kita sediakan kambing bakar kita. I think the heat is quite okay. Maybe can start sebelum hujan. Nampak macam makin gelap ni. Bukan gelap nak malam, tapi gelap nak hujan.
Mami buat penuh.
Oh, nak jatuh. Tenggelam pula kerusi. Kita terpaksa duduk dalam hujan sekejap sementara daging ni dibakar. Sebabnya asap tu dia masuk ke arah kemah. Jadi sesak nafas tadi. So terpaksa sitting on the rainy side. Aku actually kena adjust sikit kemah ni sebab hujan terlalu lebat tadi, dia masuk ke dalam, so ganggu kami nak masak. So everything is mess up currently. Sebabnya we shuffling everything. So sampah pun kena bawa masuk ke dalam, hujan lebat. So pun sikit lagi, then we can start have our dinner. Okay, malam ni kita akan habiskan stok kambing 3 pack kita bakar sekali tadi. Makanan tak sihat, Maggi goreng. Okay, let's feast.
Dah habis vlog hari ini sampai sini. Jangan lupa, jangan risau, jumpa lagi esok pagi. Dah habis, jumpa di vlog besok. Jangan lupa klik subscribe pada Hanif. Dah habis, jumpa di vlog besok. Korang semua memang terbaik.